friends, Julie here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be giving you some budget-friendly ideas for a patriotic tablescape, as well as giving you an example of how to set up for a buffet so that you can host a 4th of July party at your home. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. You will find DIYs, decorating, organizing, and other lifestyle videos all on a budget here on my channel. So love it if you would subscribe. Also, if you enjoy this tablescape video, please give it a thumbs up.
This blue canister was from the Target Dollar Spot. Actually, you'll see that most of the things I purchased were from the Target Dollar Spot, so this was a very inexpensive tablescape. These flowers, I got the whole bouquet for $7.99 at my grocery store. I also want to mention that this is part of a collaboration called Red, White, and Boom Tablescape that is hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis and All Things Luxe by Robin. I will have a link down in the description box to a playlist if you want to see some more red, white, and blue tablescape inspiration. So make sure you go check that out after you're done watching my video. So I just took these plates and these coasters. The coasters are paper coasters. The plates were plastic. These little flags come in a 2-pack, also from the Target Dollar Spot, and you'll see that I also use them in the buffet setup. Now these little place cards could be used to put the names of your guests, or you can see I also use them to label the food that people bring for the buffet. And I also got these cute little bubbles that will be for the kids. I picked up a pack of these red and white striped and the blue and white star. These are napkin holders, but they're really actually quite large. So when I wrapped them around a paper napkin, it was too big. So I decided to wrap the cups in them. I thought it added a cute little decoration just using tape. It was really simple. It's nothing fancy, but it adds something cute to the cups. Another thing I picked up were these silverware packets. I tried 2 different ways of folding the napkins and sticking it in there. I ended up preferring the second way, and that's the way I went with. But you could play with it and come up with whatever you like. And these are just a cute way to give everybody their silverware. And here is the finished tablescape. Now for the buffet, I picked up this strand of starlights that were also from the Target Dollar Spot, and I'm going to use this tray that I have with mason jars that I got from Pier 1, and I'm going to fill up every other glass jar with water. And then I just wrap the strand of lights in and out, weaving them in and out of the mason jars. And I decide to put flowers in some of the jars and flags in the others. It was really simple, but I think the lights and the difference between the flowers and the flags, it just adds a lot of character, and this is going to be basically the centerpiece for the buffet. I added the Stars and Stripes banner and some other paper products that I also picked up from Target. These were not in the dollar spot, but these were at the end of the aisles at the checkout. And you'll see here how I used the name tags to label the different food items that will be at the buffet.